Hello and welcome. My name is Biplob Hossain, and I invite you to join me on a journey to a place of truly monumental scale and breathtaking beauty. We are traveling to the Bay of Bengal, to the coast of Bangladesh, to witness a natural wonder that stretches further than the eye can see. This is Cox's Bazar, a name that resonates with the promise of endless horizons and the gentle rhythmic whisper of the ocean. It is quite simply the longest natural sandy beach in the world, a continuous unbroken ribbon of gold that unfurls for over 120 kilometers. Here, the sheer immensity of the landscape creates a profound sense of awe. The boundary between land and sea seems to blur into an infinite expanse, a canvas painted by the tides and the sun. It is a place where one can feel both humbled by nature's grandeur and intimately connected to the powerful, life-giving forces of our planet. To truly comprehend the scale of Cox's Bazar, one must first try to imagine its length. 120 kilometers, an unbroken stretch of fine golden sand, sculpted daily by the gentle yet persistent caress of the Bay of Bengal. Standing here, looking north and then south, the beach disappears into the hazy curvature of the earth. The sand itself tells a story. It is a collection of countless tiny grains, eroded from the great Himalayan mountains, carried down by mighty rivers like the Ganges and Brahmaputra. Each grain has undertaken an immense journey to find its resting place on this shore. Under the sun, the beach glitters as if strewn with diamonds. In the soft light of dawn or the warm glow of dusk, it transforms into a canvas of soft pastels, reflecting the sky's dramatic colors in a breathtaking display of natural art. Walking here is a meditative experience. With each step, the world seems to simplify. The only sounds are the rhythmic shush of the waves advancing and retreating. While the main stretch of Cox's Bazar is defined by its soft, sandy continuity, a journey south reveals a dramatic and beautiful change in character. Here we find Inani Beach, where the landscape acquires a new, rugged texture. These boulders create a striking contrast against the golden sand and the turquoise water. At low tide, a different world is revealed. The receding water exposes the full extent of these rocky formations and unveils a treasure trove of marine life in the tidal pools. Each boulder is unique, its surface pockmarked and grooved by the waves and salt. They are covered in green algae and barnacles, adding color and life to their dark forms. Just a short distance away, we encounter another geological marvel, Himchari. Here, the character of the coastline changes once more. The flat, sandy plains give way to a dramatic meeting of steep, verdant hills and the sea. Hidden within these hills are beautiful waterfalls that cascade down the rocky cliffs, especially during the monsoon season. The sound of the falling water mingles with the sound of the ocean. There are honestly few drives in the world as spectacular as the one that hugs the coast south of Cox's Bazar. This is the Marine Drive, an 80-kilometer ribbon of asphalt that weaves a path through one of the most sublime landscapes imaginable. On one side, you have the endless, shimmering expanse of the Bay of Bengal. On the other, there's this dramatic backdrop of rolling, forest-clad hills that rise steeply from the coastal plain. Driving along this road is an experience that engages all the senses. The salty air whips through the open windows, carrying the scent of the sea and the damp earth of the hills. The road itself curves and dips, revealing a new stunning vista around every bend. One moment you are driving alongside a wide, empty beach, and the next you are climbing slightly, with the ocean stretching out far below. Along the way, small fishing villages dot the landscape, their colorful boats pulled up onto the sand. These communities offer a glimpse into a way of life that has been tied to the rhythm of the sea for generations. The Marine Drive offers an unforgettable passage. It is the definitive way to appreciate the magnificent combination of hill and sea that makes this part of the Bangladesh coast so utterly unique. We have journeyed along an endless shore, marveled at ancient rocks, and driven a road where mountains meet the sea. But to see it on a screen is one thing, to feel the sand beneath your feet and the sea breeze on your face is another entirely. The true magic of Cox's Bazar lies not just in its immense scale, but in its ability to connect us with the raw, unspoiled beauty of the natural world. It is a place that invites you to walk, to explore, and to find a moment of peace and wonder in its vastness. I hope this glimpse into its majesty has inspired you to consider making your own journey to this remarkable corner of our planet. The experience of standing on that shore, looking out at the infinite horizon of the Bay of Bengal, is something that will surely stay with you forever. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. The world is full of such wonders, and our journey to discover them is just beginning. If you wish to continue exploring the most awe-inspiring destinations our planet has to offer, please consider subscribing to the channel. Until our next adventure, may you continue to seek and find beauty in the world around you.